Most people think that toi whakairo is the art of carving, but actually the translation of toi whakairo is that toi, rather than being just a universal or a bland kind of translation of art, toi means the epitome. So the toi of a mountain is the summit. So toi is an aspiration to aim for your best work and to improve. Whakairo is embellishment, which has come from our ancestors' relationship with the ngahere and their land, because their tangata whenua and their tūranga waiwai is based upon their physical and intimate connection with aspects of their land. So of course, because they had that in their time, they developed the motifs and patterns that are directly related to the environment. They weren't Māori patterns, they were hapu and tribal and sometimes family patterns. Nowadays with colonisation, we tend to think about things as Māori, but actually what we're trying to do as toi Ngāpuhi is think about what are the definitive patterns and ideas that make a creation, a creative piece of work, uniquely and identifiably Ngāpuhi. You can hear them banging away at the background. It's music to my ears. Hear carvers going tap, tap, tap.